Yeah. I think that, is there coffee left? It's empty. It's steaming, so if you want to use it.
I'm assuming.
Lady Purple, the water's ready.
The what's ready?
Water.
Water? Okay. Let's fill that silver thing back up. Yeah.
Done with it?
When I find myself after work looking up fancy stuff.
Hey, this is Jerry Fest 2010. It's breakfast with the family the morning after. This is the Hemps, and we love you. Safe journeys.
So what did you think about Jerry Fest 2010?
This was a great show. Great show. I had a lot of fun.
Awesome.
Recorded the whole thing.
What was one of your most memorable moments?
Well, for songs, I liked the other one the other night. That was a really good rendition.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time and energy and love.
Certainly.
Tearing it down. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So what did you think of Jerry Fest 2010?
Fucking awesome. Oh, I thought that was on the fucking radio. I thought that was on the radio.
So what did you guys think of?
Where's my hat?
We loved every minute.
Hey, wait. Where's my hat? Where's my hat?
My hat.
Where's my hat? No, the US Blues one. Greg, where's my US Blues hat? Right in the back. Come on, can you grab it?
And we hope to see you next time.
Absolutely at every event.
Henry Hemp, Henry. Henry Hemp. The benefits of throwing out old common sense to light a path for the new directions. Grab your gun and come along with Henry Hemp on the Henry Hemp Show. Oh, believe in yourself. Oh, believe in change with Henry. Finding his time for the Henry Hemp Show. We'll teach you a thing or two about the power of hemp. The power of peace, love, and understanding. H-E-N-R-Y. Henry Hemp.
No, I just heard about you.
H-E-N-R-Y. Henry Hemp.
Pondering thought.
H-E-N-R-Y. Henry Hemp. H-E-N-R-Y. Henry Hemp.
Yeah, there was that here. Had all that stuff out.
For real. We got a situation. There is a mouse in our engine. In our engine.
Quick, start the car.
How do we get the mouse? You got any cheese?
Lady Purple says start the car. Cheese?
For real, no. You want to go see the mouse?
Use peanut butter. They like peanut butter better. Yeah.
Well, wait.
While he's doing this,
Do I just hand it to him like
while
this?
he's doing this, start the car.